In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in HubSpot. We'll start from the main HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the top navigation and click on Automation. From there, select Workflows. This is the area where you can build automations that help your team save time and keep processes consistent. When you arrive on the Workflows page, click Create Workflow. HubSpot will then ask how you want to begin. You can build a workflow from scratch, use a template, or generate one with AI. The best option depends on your goal. From scratch gives you full control, templates are useful if you want a faster starting point, and AI can help if you want HubSpot to suggest a structure for you. Next, choose the type of object this workflow will run on. This is important because it determines what kind of records will enter the workflow, such as contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or another HubSpot object. Make sure you select the one that matches the process you want to automate. After that, click the pencil icon and give your workflow a clear, descriptive name based on your team's naming convention. A good name makes it much easier to find and manage later, especially if your account contains multiple workflows. Once the name is set, click Save and Continue. Now you'll enter the workflow editor. The first thing to do here is click Setup Enrollment Triggers. Enrollment triggers define exactly which records should enter the workflow. Choose your trigger category, then configure the specific criteria. For example, you might enroll records based on a property value, a form submission, an activity, or another condition available in HubSpot. Once the criteria are set correctly, click Apply Filter. With the enrollment logic in place, the next step is to add actions. Actions are the automated tasks HubSpot performs after a record is enrolled. Depending on your workflow, this could include updating a property, creating a task, sending an internal notification, delaying for a period of time, or taking another supported action. As you build, make sure the sequence of actions matches the process you want HubSpot to follow. Finally, configure your workflow settings, then review everything carefully and publish it. The settings area is where you confirm how the workflow should behave overall, and the review step gives you a chance to catch anything before it goes live. Once you publish, your workflow will be ready to run automatically based on the enrollment rules and actions you configured. And that's how to create workflows in HubSpot.